Have you ever installed LED strips under your cabinets, only to find that after a couple of years, they're no longer working? Or maybe you're thinking about installing under-cabinet lighting for the first time and want to avoid the common mistakes others have made. Let me show you the 6 best LED light strip options that will elevate your kitchen lighting and help you avoid common pitfalls. First up is the White Iris LED strip. It's available in 4 color temperatures and 3 LED densities for varying levels of brightness. The White Iris LED strip is a budget-friendly, commercial-grade option that offers exceptional energy efficiency at 191 lumens per watt and delivers 1,000 lumens per meter, though it may not be as bright as some other options. Next is the White Lily LED strip, the best choice if you have granite countertops. Granite is highly reflective, so you'll want to avoid spotting, which can happen with regular strips. This LED strip has some great features. No spotting, offers 4 color temperatures, and delivers 1,100 lumens per meter. On the downside, it's slightly less energy efficient at 111 lumens per watt, and it comes at a higher cost compared to the White Iris model. Now, if you're looking for the brightest option, the King Protea LED strip is your best bet. It's perfect for task lighting, providing up to 2,800 lumens per meter. It's also highly energy efficient, delivering 170 lumens per watt, and comes in 3 different color temperatures to suit any space. The only downside is its higher cost per foot. Want to customize your lighting throughout the day? The Sunrise series is an adjustable color temperature strip that lets you shift from warm to cool light as needed, and a bright output of 2,000 lumens per meter. But they are noticeably more expensive compared to other options. For those who love color, check out the Hibiscus LED strip. It's an RGBW strip, meaning it can produce both colored and white light. Perfect for adding a pop of color under your cabinets. This LED strip delivers strong lighting performance with its ability to produce colored light and offering around 1,500 lumens per meter. However, it's not the most energy efficient option available. And last but not least, the Strelitzia LED strip is the ultimate all-in-one option. This strip combines RGBW with adjustable color temperature, offering the most customizable lighting experience. On the downside, it's the least energy efficient at 68 lumens per watt and is also the most expensive option. So there you have it, our top 6 LED light strips for under-cabinet lighting. If you'd like to use any of these strips, you can find links to each one in the description. We can also cut and solder them to save you the inconvenience. To learn how we can make custom LED lighting for your specific cabinets, watch our video on how to install under-cabinet lighting. Link is in the description. If you're still unsure which option is best for your project, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help with all your LED questions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more lighting tips and guides.